Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Chocolate stuffed fried coke, my twist to a popular snack from Texas, USA, using frozen almond stuffed chocolates from Portugal. Refrigerate a bottle of Coca-Cola to super chill, but in case you don't have Coke, you can use any aerated soft drink, carbonated drink, soda or bubbly water. Take a banana and a mixing bowl. Peel the banana and mash it well. Banana is a substitute that I have used in place of eggs which are originally used in this recipe. When mashed, take all-purpose flour or maida and sieve it. But wait, along with that, add some brown sugar or any natural sugar. You can use white sugar also. Baking powder and cinnamon, along with salt, any natural salt. I'm using Himalayan salt. Now sift and sift well. When done, crush the blocks if any and remove. Now mix well and when done, add the super chilled Coca-Cola little by little, but remember, only when ready to be fried, otherwise the effect will be lost. When added, immediately mix to a lumpless batter, not too thin, not too thick, with a free-flowing or a free-dropping consistency. It should be lumpless. And how much Coke have we used? Well, about 150 mils out of 300 mils. So that's the amount of Coke we use. Now, line a plate or a tray with paper napkin or kitchen towels or tissues or blotting paper to absorb excess oil. This is a must. Switch on the heat, place a kadai, skillet or a wok and add enough oil to deep fry in. When done, allow it to heat. When heated, add a blob of batter to check the temperature of the oil. 1. And to check the taste after the snack is fried. And now bring out the frozen or the super chilled chocolate and add to the batter. Along with this, if there are any corrections to be made to the taste of the batter, this is the right time, so do it now. Let's fry. Add the batter carefully and slowly, either with a spoon or with a ice cream scooper or anything of your choice. But remember, do not overcrowd. And when done, take a minute and inspect and pour more batter where chocolate is exposed to the hot oil. Flip occasionally, and this also prevents burning. Look how beautifully they are caramelizing. Look at the color and the fragrance that fills the air. Wait till all are evenly fried. And remember to keep flipping. Ensure that they are well fried on all the sides. Now when done, switch off the heat and bring them out from the hot oil. But hold, let the oil drip back into the skillet or the vessel. Hold for a few seconds or a minute and bring them onto the paper lined plate or the tray that we had earlier ready. Let the oil be absorbed, and now sprinkle with powdered sugar or soak in any syrup or serve with cream or vanilla ice cream. But remember, don't serve and enjoy with all your known, including your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.